Hello everyone, myself Alok Singh. Today we are discussing about virtual desktop infrastructure. What is infrastructures? Virtual desktop infrastructure hosts desktop environments on a centralized server. It abstracts the desktop of operating system from the physical device, allowing users to access their workstation remotely. Key characteristics of VDI. Unlike traditional local desktop, VDI relies on the network connectivity to deliver the user interface. Data processing occurs on the server, ensuring data remains the data center, not the endpoint device. The next slide is how VDI works. Hypervisor, software that segments physical servers into the virtual machine. Hosting the desktop operating system. Connection broker, the software gateway that the authenticators users and direct them to their assigned virtual desktop instance. And the desktop pools, group of similar desktop configured for a specific user role like finance, engineering, for efficient management. The next slide is key benefits of VDI. First point is enhanced security. Data lives on the server, reducing risks associated with the lost or stolen physical device. Second point, flexibility and mobility. Employees can access their full desktop environment from any device anywhere. Third point is centralized management. It can patch, update, and troubleshoot thousands of desktops from a single console. Fourth point is cost efficiency. Extend the life order, older hardware, and the support cheaper, thin clients. Next slide is VDI versus traditional desktop. It shows the IT support cost is 40% lower from VDI, and the setup time is hours versus days. Hardware life is extended 2 to 3 years. Security risk is significantly reduced. The next slide is strategic use cases. Remote and hybrid work empowers employees to work securely from home or public space without VPN complexities. BYOD, bring your own device, allows contractors and employees to use personal device while keeping corporate data isolated. High security environment, ideal for finance and healthcare where data compliance HIPAA GDPR is non-negotiable. The next slide is major VDI providers. Infrastructure leaders. VMware, Horizon, and Citrix provide robust enterprise-grade virtualization platforms, and the cloud-native solution. Microsoft Azure Virtual Desktop (AVD) leverage cloud scale for instant development, and the security focus. All major providers provide zero trust architecture and encrypted streaming protocols. The next slide is challenge and consideration. Network dependency. VDI relies entirely on the stable internet connection. Latency or outage can completely halt productivity, making network robustness critical. Complexity and cost. Initial setup can be complex and expensive. However, long-term ROI is often realized through reduced support and hardware cost. The next slide.